Did you see what that guy is wearing in his hand? It's a skull ring and some kind of a scary bracelet.
Really? That scares you?
What I'm worried about is that how much more time is he gonna sit and eat? It's our lunch break and I'm hungry.
Rohan, go check in on him.
Anything else, sir? Hey guys, check this out. Looks like this guy's a lot into vampires.
Let me see. It says here that vampires have super speed, super hearing, and they feed on blood only. They are immortal and only silver can hurt them. Looks like he's doing some research to kill a vampire.
Give it to me. I'll deposit it to the counter in case he comes back.
That won't be necessary. It's not that important.
What?
What? Nothing.
Hey Rohan, you think vamps are for real?
Yes, ghosts too, and werewolves too. Come on, man. Are you a child?
What do you think, Nick?
I mean, who knows? Vampires might be walking around us and we won't even know.
Oh, come on, you silly guys. Let's go and eat. We've got to come back on time for the next shift.
Looks like someone's really hungry.
तुम लोग आगे जाओ. I'll catch up.
What's up with him?
What are you doing here? Hey, hi Nick. Is that blood? Did you kill someone? Have you lost it, Sam? You don't kill to feed.
Yes, you are right. I don't kill. You know, I feed on dead bodies only.
अगर तू वापस मुझे यहाँ दिखा, you are a dead man. You hear me?
Hey, Nick's here. How did he catch up so fast?
Maybe a friend dropped him here.
Hey Nick, come along, join us.
No thanks. I'm not hungry.
Does he ever eat?
Hey, what's on your mind? तू टेंशन में लग रहा है यार.
It's nothing. What's up?
I want to talk to you. Listen. I just want to say that we are together. I mean, working together since months.
Really stop. Let me stop you before you say anything. Come on, it's not like that.
Then what's it about?
You don't know me yet. It would be better for you if you stay away from me.
Hey guys, आज कस्टमर की एनिवर्सरी है तो मैनेजर वांट्स अस टू जैम समथिंग करते हैं.
I know, I heard.
तेरा चल लहराए हर रात यादों की बारात ले आ एक महका महका सा पैगाम लाती है, मेरे दिल की धड़कन भी तेरे गीत गाती है। पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो, जीवन मीठी प्यास ये कहती हो, पल पल दिल के पास तुम रहती हो।
Hey guys, we have some free time. Let's play the bottle game.
Oh, come on, man. Not that again.
What's the matter? Let's play.
Yeah, I'm up for it. What about you, Nick?
Anything that's fine with you all.
Okay, let's play.
Yay!
मोनिका, तुम्हारे बारे में कोई ऐसा सीक्रेट बताओ जो किसी को नहीं पता।
Let me think. Oh yes, you all are not gonna believe this.
What?
Once a customer forgot her important purse over here.
No way.
What? I just kept that purse and deposited the money to the counter.
And उसने पर्स के बारे में कुछ पूछा भी नहीं?
No. Okay, let's roll it again. Nick, हम सबको कोई ऐसा डरावना या सुपरनैचुरल स्टोरी के बारे में बताओ जो तुमने पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस की है।
You won't believe.
Oh yeah? What's it?
अरे जस्ट किडिंग, ऐसा कुछ हॉरिफाइंग तो हुआ नहीं मेरे साथ, पर एक कहानी बताता हूँ। 100 साल पहले इन सेम लोकेशन एक छोटा गांव हुआ करता था, एंड एवरी ईयर a man with pointed teeth and dark demon eyes used to come to the village, and he used to feed on the villagers' blood.
Are you talking about vampires, Nick? पता है थोड़ा बहुत हॉरर होना चाहिए, लेकिन be a little realistic.
I'm not finished yet. He bit me once. He thought he killed me, but I survived.
Are you trying to scare us, Nick?
Rukna. And then?
He never came back until now, and it was said that he could not come near anyone wearing silver. So I brought something for you all. Rohan, please take that.
Nice way to give early Christmas present, Nick.
Well then, now.
Why didn't you bring one for yourself?
I told you he bit me. I don't need one. Let's see who's next.
Does something seem off to you about Nick? कुछ अजीब नहीं लग रहा?
Everything. Tell me, Zia, I keep dropping hints all the time that I really like him, but he always seems disinterested.
क्या तूने उसे कभी बताया है that you like him?
Well, नहीं.
See Lily, some guys are dumb. उन्हें hints नहीं समझते. You need to talk to them clearly. You getting me?
Monica, what's the best thing you like about this restaurant?
The best thing I like is that a restaurant gives its leftover to the needy ones. That's the best gesture of all.
True.
And you? What do you like about restaurant?
You.
कहाँ था तू?
यही था. Looking for an old friend.
Did you find him?
Not yet, but I hope I will before it's too late.
Nick, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
I wanna confess something. I've never seen such a stubborn jerk जो मेरी आंखों में देख नहीं रहा है जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ. Let me get this straight. I like you. पर ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम्हें मुझ में इंटरेस्ट नहीं है या कोई और है. Please tell me so.
Lily, it's not that I don't like you, but कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो तुम नहीं जानते. And getting involved with me could put you in danger. And I would never want that for you.
So be it.
It's not that simple, sweetheart.
Well, at least you admitted that you like me.
चलो आज शाम को सब घूमने कहीं जाते हैं.
Campfire?
Yeah, sure. Hey Nick,
हाँ रोहन बोलना.
आज रात कैंप फायर.
जिया, campfire tonight. Okay, done.
रहता हूँ तुझसे मिलकर क्यों आजकल बदले बदले हैं मेरे तेवर क्यों आजकल आंखें मेरी हर जगह भूले तुझे बेवजह ये मैं हूँ या कोई और है मेरी तरह कैसे हुआ इतना जरूरी कैसे हुआ इतना जरूरी कैसे.
Nick, if you were supposed to, what superpower would you choose?
Me? Nothing. I'm happy with what I am. What about you?
I would choose the power of reading minds, so that I would know what goes inside of your crazy mind.
I bet you don't want to know.
Hey, where did Rohan and Monica go?
Those two lovebirds must have gone for a walk.
Anyhow, it's getting late. We must leave too.
Maybe we will catch up with them. You know, Nick, Ria is right. You are quite mysterious.
Oh, you have no idea, my dear.
Is that blood? कहाँ?
Where are your bracelets?
In the restaurant, the manager told us to remove them.
Says here that vampires have super speed.
How did you catch up so fast?
Super hearing.
I know. I heard.
And they feed on blood only.
Does he ever eat?
Who's that?
Here, take these and please don't remove them again. I bet you don't want me. कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें जो तुम नहीं लगा. It would be better for you to stay away from. Vampires might be walking around this.